Right guys, it's your boy right here, X12E5, and today I've got a pretty awesome video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys the Mercedes CLA, my brand new car, and after that we're going to head over to Romans, which is somewhere over there, and then after I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of an announcement at the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go and have a look at the Mercedes. So guys, this car is a CLA 180. It's a pretty insane car. It's the 1.6 litre turbo. This car is quick, well, quicker than my Ford. But yeah, this car is really awesome. It drinks petrol, which is annoying, but I've ordered an Army Tricks exhaust for this car, so that is coming in the next week, I think. So that'll be pretty interesting. So I'll definitely do a video on that. So what we're going to do now is going to head over to Romans International, show some cars, and then we'll go into the sort of an announcement at the end of the video. So keep watching, people, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.